Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that's flying under the radar but ready to shock the automotive world. The 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper is here, and it's the ultimate wolf in sheep's clothing. Chevrolet has resurrected the legendary Nova nameplate, blending nostalgic vibes with jaw-dropping modern performance. This isn't just a car. It's a statement of stealth, power, and heritage. So, buckle up as we take a deep dive into every detail of this beast, its exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and some suggestions for potential buyers. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, starting with the front. At first glance, the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper looks like a humble nod to its 1960s and 70s ancestors. The front fascia is clean and minimalist, with a retro-inspired grille that's subtle yet unmistakably Nova. The slim, horizontal headlights feature modern LED technology, giving it a sharp, focused look without screaming for attention. The hood is smooth, with no aggressive scoops or vents, which is exactly what makes this a sleeper. It doesn't advertise the monster lurking underneath. The front bumper is understated, with small fog lights tucked neatly into the corners, blending seamlessly into the design. It's a face that could easily be mistaken for a daily driver. And that's the whole point. Moving to the side, the Nova Sleeper keeps things equally unassuming. The body lines are clean and classic, with a gentle curve that pays homage to the original Nova's compact, boxy charm. The coupe silhouette is sleek but not flashy, sitting on 18-inch alloy wheels that look sporty yet practical. You won't find oversized rims or low-profile tires here, just enough to hint at performance without giving the game away. The side mirrors are color-matched, and there's a subtle chrome accent along the window line that adds a touch of class. The doors are free of excessive badging, with just a small Nova script near the bottom, keeping the sleeper vibe alive. It's a design that blends into traffic, but car enthusiasts might do a double take, sensing something special. Now, let's check out the back. The rear of the 2026 Nova Sleeper is where the retro-modern balance really shines. The taillights are slim and horizontal, echoing the classic Nova while using LED strips for a contemporary touch. The rear bumper is simple, with a discreet diffuser and a dual exhaust setup that's quiet at idle, but ready to roar when you mash the throttle. There's no massive spoiler or aggressive aero kit here, just a small lip spoiler that adds a hint of sportiness without drawing attention. The trunk is clean, with minimal badging, maybe just an SS emblem tucked away to hint at the heritage. It's a rear end that looks like it belongs on a commuter car, but trust me, this thing is anything but ordinary. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper is a perfect blend of simplicity and modern tech. The cabin is driver-focused, with a no-nonsense layout that prioritizes function over flash. The seats are supportive, wrapped in premium cloth or optional leather, with just enough bolstering to keep you planted during spirited driving. The dashboard is clean, featuring a 10-inch digital gauge cluster that's fully customizable, letting you toggle between classic analog-style dials or a performance-focused display with boost and force readouts. The centerpiece is a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, running Chevy's latest software with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crisp interface. It's intuitive and responsive, but it doesn't dominate the cabin's aesthetic. The steering wheel is thick and grippy, with paddle shifters if you opt for the automatic transmission. Speaking of options, you can choose between a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic, catering to both purists and daily drivers. The center console is minimal, with a small gear shifter, a few physical buttons for climate control, and a hidden compartment for storage. The materials feel solid, soft-touch plastics, brushed aluminum accents, and a mix of matte and glossy finishes give it a premium yet understated vibe. Rear seating is tight, as you'd expect from a compact coupe, but it's enough for short trips or smaller passengers. The trunk is surprisingly practical, offering enough space for groceries or a weekend getaway. Overall, the interior strikes a balance between retro charm, modern convenience, and that sleeper ethos of not showing off. Now, let's get to the heart of the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper, its performance. Under the hood lies a twin-turbocharged 6.2-liter V8, a modern evolution of Chevy's legendary small block. This beast pumps out a staggering 720 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque, making it a supercar killer in disguise. 0 to 60 miles per hour, under 3.5 seconds, quarter mile. It'll rip through in about 11 seconds flat, leaving most challengers in the dust. The power is sent to the rear wheels through either the 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic, both paired with a limited slip differential for maximum traction. The adaptive suspension is a standout, offering a smooth ride in comfort mode for daily driving and tightening up in sport mode for track days or backroad blasts. What makes this car a true sleeper is how it hides its performance. The exhaust is subdued at low revs, letting you cruise quietly through neighborhoods. But open the throttle, and it unleashes a deep, guttural roar that'll make any car enthusiast grin. The handling is equally impressive, with precise steering and a well-tuned chassis that keeps body roll in check. Braking is handled by large, ventilated discs, with optional carbon ceramic rotors for those who plan to push it hard. Chevy's engineers have also added a stealth mode, which dials back the engine noise and softens the suspension for blending into traffic. Whether you're at the drag strip, carving up a canyon road, or just commuting, this Nova delivers versatility. Wrapped in raw power, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper starts at around $45,000 for the base model, which is a steal for this level of performance. Fully loaded with options like the leather interior, upgraded audio, and performance brakes, you're looking at closer to $55,000 compared to rivals like the Dodge Charger or Ford Mustang GT. The Nova offers more horsepower and that unique sleeper appeal for a similar or lower price. It's a value proposition that's hard to beat, especially for a car that can embarrass supercars costing twice as much. Keep in mind though that fuel economy isn't this car's strong suit. Expect mid-teens in the city and low 20s on the highway, thanks to that thirsty V8. For suggestions, if you're considering the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper, think about your driving style. If you love rowing your own gears, go for the manual transmission. It's a purist dream and adds to the engagement. For daily driving or stop-and-go traffic, the automatic is smooth and quick-shifting, making it a great all-rounder. Opt for the performance package if you plan to hit the track, as it includes stickier tires, upgraded brakes, and a sport-tuned suspension. Also, consider the color stick with understated hues like black, gray, or dark blue to keep the sleeper vibe intact. Avoid flashy add-ons like big spoilers or loud exhaust tips. The whole point is to fly under the radar. Finally, check with your local Chevy dealer for availability, as the Nova Sleeper is likely to be in high demand. As we wrap up this review, the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper is nothing short of a triumph. It's a car that honors its heritage while embracing modern technology, delivering heart-pounding performance in a package that looks like it could be parked at your local grocery store. From its subtle exterior to its driver-focused interior, and that monstrous twin-turbo V8, this Nova is a love letter to car enthusiasts who crave power with a side of stealth. Whether you're a fan of American muscle, sleeper builds, or just love surprising unsuspecting challengers at a stoplight, this car has it all. It's not just a revival, it's a reinvention of what a muscle car can be. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2026 Chevy Nova Sleeper. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Drop a comment below. Would you drive this sleeper beast daily? Or is it your weekend warrior? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive. See you on the road.